I want my chef colleagues to take up the challenge to create fun, quick and easy recipes with the unique flavor of olives. So get our chef jacket on and take the challenge with me.
Hi Amrita, this is Chef Nishant Choubey here and I'm so very excited to accept your 4 flavor recipe challenge made with olive from Spain. Let's do it! I am making my own version of Nargisi Kofta. It's a dish which is slightly lost. I'm gonna regenerate it. Inclusion of those 4 different flavors. We are actually showcasing how Spain and India come together with those amazing flavors that olive has. Olive is so healthy. Olive is adaptable. So all these things I'm gonna showcase in one recipe. First thing is to create seasoning for my Nargisi Kofta. These are dehydrated olive, cumin powder, coriander powder, Ajwain, black cardamom, green cardamom, star anise and clove powder and little bit of chili. Lamb mince. Ensure that we rub it really well because we need to break the tissues here. Whole egg, almost 1.5. Okay, so I can see that egg is very well mixed with mince. Now time to add this beautiful version of garam masala that I have created. Mix it well before you add it in the mince. Let's mix it together. Salt, black pepper, quick mix. This is a pre-boiled quinoa. Okay, time to put this marinade in the fridge and then work on the pate. The hero ingredient, which is black olive from Spain, jalapenos, not too much because we have already added spice in the lamb, a few capers, some lovely cheese. Everything has to be very cheesy, right? Some bit of pista. It's a rich recipe, so pista will complement it so well. Some bit of lemon juice for that bitter flavor. Olive oil, some fresh bread for that binding. Let's close it, churn it and be happy. Quick spin in the jar and this is what you get it. It's nice and creamy. Now what we have to do is we have to first take the pate and then just spread it. Wow, I can tell you, I can smell the beautiful aroma which is coming out from black olive. This is the egg that I have taken. This is a hard-boiled egg. I have taken country egg, by the way, because country egg has bright yellow egg yolk. And now you have to just cover it. Ensure that it is covered from all the sides and ensure that the entire shape of this would be like an egg. I'm going to cover this with this beautiful lamb mince. Cover it from all the sides. I'm going to dip it in egg wash and then crumb it. Some fresh bread crumb. Coat it all over. Let me put this in the fridge so that it comes together. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna make salsa. I would take some bit of this beautiful olive. I will cut them into chunks, not too small, because I really want the bite to be there. Put them in this bowl. Finely chopped raw mango for that sourness. Sriracha sauce. Tomato ketchup, chopped parsley, little bit of sugar, some bit of olive oil. So beautiful, everything is coming together so well. I can actually eat only this, by the way, okay. So I can see that the oil is moderately hot. Time to drop the egg inside. Ensure that the oil is not too hot, otherwise your mince will remain raw and then you don't like it. Cook it on a very slow heat. So you can see this beautiful color. It's nice and crispy. I'm going to take it out on this tissue. Look at this. Look at the beauty. The lamb mince is nicely cooked. You can see this beautiful, the black olive paste in the center. Egg is nicely done. Time to plate it. Okay, so this cracker is actually a papad. That is the thought process. And to complement it, some beautiful salsa on the side. By the way, this is a modern Indian dish. This is an interpretation of my take on those 4 amazing flavors made from olive, that too from Spain. So this is a sirka wala pyaj, okay. These olives are also dehydrated. So you can see so many colors on one plate. So thank you very much for watching me, and I hope you will create this recipe at your home and tag all of us. Thank you.